Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking for a fast, foldable, and fun way to get around the city, the MAXSHOT Electric Scooter for adults is a solid budget-friendly ride that packs a lot of features for daily commuting. Right away, what makes this stand out is the balance of power and portability. With a 350W to 500W motor, it can reach speeds up to around 22 miles per hour, which feels quick enough for city travel without being overwhelming for newer riders. The range is another strong point. You're looking at roughly 21 to 28 miles per charge depending on riding conditions, which is more than enough for daily commutes, errands, or casual weekend rides without constant recharging. Comfort is improved by the dual suspension system combined with 8.5 to 10-inch tires, helping absorb bumps and rough pavement so your ride feels smoother overall. That makes a big difference if your roads aren't perfectly flat. It also includes smart app control, letting you check speed, battery status, and even lock or customize settings directly from your phone, adding a modern touch to everyday use. The folding design is another win. It collapses quickly, making it easy to carry, store in a car trunk, or take inside your office or apartment without hassle. Real-world feedback generally highlights it as a good value commuter scooter, fast enough for urban use, comfortable enough for daily rides, and packed with features usually found in more expensive models. The main trade-off is that range and comfort can vary depending on rider weight, terrain, and speed settings. Overall, the MAXSHOT scooter is all about affordable mobility, convenience, and practical performance for everyday travel. Click the link below for the best price.